emoji on BeReal. For that purpose, head over to your BeReal app and then scroll all the way down to discoverability and people that you follow. Let's just say I'm right here. You can see the different reactions of people here. And for that purpose, if I want to react to the specific BeReal, all I have to do is you can see the different reactions coming up with different sort of emojis. All I have to do is click on this emoji option right here. Currently, this is the one that is set up for me, but I can choose to create this heart eye emoji as well, where I can just simply, they're gonna create a heart eye face for me. Once I click that up, the picture is set up. Let's just say I'm making heart eyes for that purpose, and that picture is set up. I can totally set that one up. So let's just say let's go with this one, and I'm sharing this one reaction of mine. This way I can keep up different sort of reactions from thumbs up to the smiling face to the shocked face to the laughing face and even this one face, the lightning bolt. So this is it. This is how you can change your emoji on BeReal and react with your friends and react to their posts depending upon the emojis.